Hi, my name is Andrew Chow and I'm an angel investor right now from Asia Pro Venture. I intend to develop certain application using the knowledge I got from the course to assess whether a startup pitch is comprehensive or not. I can use prompt to evaluate and even to compare two pitches and see which one has better ROI. So I am very passionate about adult learning and I intend to use AI to enhance learning. So I like to introduce conversational AI for learning so that people can learn by asking questions, can learn by prompting, and even the entire prompt, the chat log itself can be converted to some kind of a sentiment analysis for your learning and development manager to assess how engaged is the staff in class itself. I discovered that the toolkit is excellent because it put together everything from your material to your learning activity, to your feedback, to your engagement. Everything is inside one house. It makes learning more fun, more interactive, definitely more generative. So before I come here, I thought that there's not much difference between a system prompt and a user prompt, but now I understand that system prompts really works with a model to direct a certain flow of thoughts or programming. So when the user use their user prompt, they get the correct response or output itself. The whole world is always excited about ChatGPT. Now, actually, ChatGPT is just like a central kitchen. Everybody goes there to get something out of it. Application is just like a restaurant. The restaurants may go to the central kitchen and take the food, but you still feel that you're being served by those restaurants. You have to spend a lot of time doing the prompt, and why not learn to build applications so that you can streamline a lot of your tasks so that your functions can be smooth going. I think we can work towards a 4-day week so that we can do more with less time, so that we can all spend more time enjoying life and leave most of the work to AI. Our role in work has changed. We do not really write, for example, but we become the editor. We don't do brainstorming, but we do brain strategizing. So work itself, everybody today can be a manager. Who knows, you will lead a group of AI chatbots in the future. Maybe you can practice digital leadership. The options in the future are really wonderful, and I really urge you, if you want to be truly future ready, embrace AI and get yourself certified by Straits Interactive.